Real talk, you don't have a hydration problem. You have a reminder problem. You buy a nice bottle, you're motivated for 2 days, and then it just becomes a desk decoration. In 2026, water bottles finally got smart enough to actually fix that. These are the 5 best smart water bottles you can buy right now on Amazon, and my number 1 pick might genuinely change your daily habits. Before we start, quick disclaimer, I'm ranking these on what actually matters. How accurately they track your water, how long the battery lasts, and whether they genuinely get you drinking more, not how many buzzwords are printed on the box. I dug into the real specs, reviews, and current Amazon pricing to get this list right. Let's kick it off at number 5. The V-Side 2S1 Max. This is your entry point into self-cleaning bottles, and it does not feel like a budget pick. For around $40 to $50, you get an AI-scheduled UVC light that runs cleaning cycles automatically, a touchscreen that shows your water temperature, and this one surprised me, a battery that lasts up to 30 days on a single charge. It's rated IPX7 waterproof too, so a splash near the sink isn't going to kill it. Here's the honest comparison. It's using basically the same self-cleaning concept as our number 2 pick later on this list, at roughly a third of the price. If my water bottle cleans itself, sounds like a flex you want, without spending real money, start here. Number 4. Water.io. This one's built for people who already live inside a fitness app. It syncs directly with Garmin, Oura Ring, Strava, and Apple Health, and it doesn't just track your water, it adjusts your daily hydration goal automatically based on your workouts and even the weather. Sweat through a hard run this morning? Your goal quietly goes up without you touching anything. It runs anywhere from $70 to $100, depending on the sale, so keep an eye on pricing. If hydration is just one piece of a bigger health tracking setup for you, this is the bottle that fits right in. Number 3, the Water H Boast, and this is the best value on the entire list. Around $50 gets you an LED display built directly into the lid, so you check your progress with a glance, no phone required. It backs that up with a triple reminder system, a light, a vibration, and an app notification. So forgetting genuinely isn't an option anymore. 2-week battery life, 32-ounce capacity, wide mouth for easy cleaning and ice. If you want real smart features without the premium price tag, this is the one I'd tell a beginner to buy first. Number 2, the Lark Bottle PureVis 2, and this is where it gets a little sci-fi. Every 2 hours, a UVC light built into the cap automatically fires and purifies both the water and the inside of the bottle, killing off bacteria while you're not even thinking about it. It's less water bottle, more personal water treatment plant you carry in your bag. It still tracks your hydration through an app, and one charge lasts about a month. Yes, it's $129, the most expensive bottle on this list, but if you travel a lot or you just care deeply about what's actually in your water, nothing else here comes close. Which brings us to number 1, the HidrateSpark PRO 2. This is the bottle that finally delivers on the promise every smart bottle makes. A weight sensor built into the base tracks every single sip automatically. No logging, no guessing, no opening an app to manually type anything in. It glows to remind you to drink, syncs straight into Apple Health and Fitbit, and it even has Apple Find My built in, so if you lose it, you pull out your phone and find it on a map, just like an AirTag. Battery lasts 2 to 3 weeks. At around $80, it's not the cheapest pick on this list, but it's the closest thing to a hydration coach that actually runs itself. That's why it's my number 1. Quick recap before you go: VSITOU for budget self-cleaning, Water.oo for fitness syncing, Water H Boast for best value, LarkU for next-level water purity, and the HidrateSpark PRO 2 as my overall winner. All 5 are linked in the description below, so you don't have to go hunting for them. Tell me in the comments, which one are you actually buying, or did I miss your favorite? And if this video just saved you from wasting money on the wrong bottle, do me a favor and hit subscribe, because I've got a lot more hydration and health tech breakdowns coming soon. See you in the next one.